Have you ever felt like there's an invisible force shaping your life? What if I told you that 12 powerful universal laws govern everything, from your thoughts to your destiny? Today, we're unlocking the secrets behind these laws and how they can transform your reality. If you're ready to harness the power of the universe, don't forget to subscribe and join our journey. If you believe in the power of these laws, drop a 777 in the comments and let the universe know you're ready to align with your highest potential. 1. The law of divine oneness. Everything in the universe is interconnected, like an infinite web. Every action, thought, and emotion sends ripples through this web, influencing the whole. Understanding this law shifts your perspective from separation to unity, fostering responsibility and awareness that your choices impact the greater whole. 2. The law of vibration. Everything in existence is in constant motion, vibrating at different frequencies. Even seemingly solid objects are vibrating at a molecular level. Your thoughts, emotions, and actions emit energy, attracting similar frequencies. To change your reality, you must shift your vibration. 3. The law of action. Thoughts alone won't change your life. You must take action. This law emphasizes that deliberate, consistent steps create momentum toward your goals. Success isn't about speed, it's about movement. Small efforts accumulate over time, leading to profound transformations. 4. The law of correspondence. Your outer world mirrors your inner world. The beliefs, patterns, and emotions you hold within yourself are reflected in your life's circumstances. This law invites self-reflection, urging you to examine and reshape your internal state to create a more harmonious external reality. 5. The law of cause and effect. Every action has a reaction. Nothing happens by chance. Your choices create a ripple effect, shaping future outcomes. This law encourages mindfulness and responsibility, helping you become a conscious creator of your destiny. 6. The law of compensation. The universe operates on balance and fairness. What you give, you receive in return. This law isn't about punishment, but about maintaining harmony. Trust that the energy you put into the world will come back to you, sometimes in unexpected ways. 7. The law of attraction. Attracts like. Your dominant thoughts and emotions shape your reality. This law is not about wishful thinking. It's about consciously choosing the energy you emit. Focus on abundance and positivity, and you'll attract experiences that reflect that energy. 8. The law of perpetual transmutation of energy. Energy is constantly shifting and evolving. This law teaches that you have the power to transform your life by consciously directing your energy. Negative thoughts can be transmuted into positive outcomes through awareness and intention. 9. The law of relativity. Nothing is inherently good or bad. It's all about perspective. Your challenges are relative to your unique journey. This law reminds you to avoid comparisons and view difficulties as opportunities for growth rather than setbacks. 10. The law of polarity. Opposites exist in everything, light and dark, joy and sorrow. Understanding this duality helps you embrace life's contrasts, fostering resilience and adaptability. Rather than resisting difficulties, recognize their role in your personal evolution. 11. The law of rhythm. Life moves in cycles, like the changing seasons. Just as day follows night, challenges will pass, making way for new opportunities. By embracing life's natural flow, you can navigate its ups and downs with greater ease. 12. The law of gender. This law refers to the balance of masculine, action-oriented, and feminine, intuitive energies in all aspects of life. True creation and transformation happen when these forces work in harmony. Recognizing and integrating both energies leads to holistic personal growth. Finally, these 12 universal laws are constantly at work, shaping your experiences and reality. The question is, are you using them to your advantage? If this resonated with you, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Let's unlock the power of the universe together.